Have you ever looked at your bank account at the end of the month and just thought, where did all my money go? It feels like your paycheck just vanished into thin air, right? One day it's there, and the next, poof, it's gone. If this sounds familiar, trust me, you are not alone. It's a mystery that puzzles millions of people. It's not that you're bad with money. It's just that modern life has a way of making our spending almost invisible. Think about it. We tap our cards, click to buy online, and have subscriptions automatically renew. Each transaction is small, almost unnoticeable. A coffee here, a new app there, a streaming service you forgot you even had. These little money leaks add up, and before you know it, a significant chunk of your income has disappeared without a trace. It's like a financial whodunit, and today we're going to be the detectives. We're going to uncover the shocking truth about your monthly spending habits. What we find might just surprise you, but it will also empower you to take back control. So let's start by looking at the usual suspects. The first and most common culprit is what I like to call phantom subscriptions. These are the free trials that turned into paid subscriptions. The gym membership you haven't used in 6 months, or the 5 different streaming services you're paying for when you only watch 1 or 2. Individually, they might seem small, $10 or $15 a month. But when you add them all up, you could be looking at $100 or more draining from your account every single month. That's over $1,000 a year. Imagine what you could do with an extra $1,000. The first step to catching these phantoms is to go through your bank and credit card statements with a fine-tooth comb. Print them out, get a highlighter, and mark every single recurring charge. Ask yourself honestly, do I use this? Do I need this? Does this bring me value? If the answer is no, it's time to cancel. It might feel a bit tedious, but this single act can immediately free up a surprising amount of cash. Next up, let's talk about the convenience trap. We live in a world that values speed and ease. Food delivery apps, ride-sharing services, and online shopping with one-day shipping are all designed to make our lives easier, and they do. But this convenience comes at a premium. That $20 meal you ordered on a Tuesday night could have been a $5 homemade lunch. That $10 ride to a place you could have walked to in 20 minutes adds up. I'm not saying you should never enjoy these conveniences. Life is meant to be lived, but it's about being mindful. The convenience trap is sneaky because it justifies itself. I'm too tired to cook. I'm running late. It's just a few dollars. These small, in-the-moment decisions are where our budgets get derailed. A great way to fight back is to plan ahead. Spend an hour on Sunday prepping a few simple meals for the week. Leave a little earlier to walk or take public transport. The goal isn't to deprive yourself, but to make conscious choices instead of defaulting to the most expensive option out of habit. Now for a big one, the daily dribble. This is the $5 latte, the $2 snack from the vending machine, the afternoon soda. It's the small, almost thoughtless spending that happens every single day. We often dismiss it because, well, it's just a few bucks, but let's do some quick math. A $5 coffee every workday is $25 a week. That's $100 a month. That's $1,200 a year. Suddenly, that little coffee habit has the same price tag as a nice vacation or a major contribution to your savings. Again, this isn't about telling you to give up coffee forever. It's about understanding the true cost. What if you made coffee at home 4 days a week and treated yourself to that fancy latte just on Fridays? You'd save $80 a month right there. The key is to see the pattern. Track these small purchases for just 1 week. Write every single one down in a notebook or use a tracking app. At the end of the week, add it all up. The total will likely shock you, and that shock is a powerful motivator for change. Let's also investigate the emotional spending monster. We've all been there. You had a bad day at work, so you buy a new pair of shoes to feel better. You're feeling bored, so you endlessly scroll through online stores. This is emotional spending, and it is a huge money drain because it is not based on need or even real want. It's based on an impulse to fix a feeling with a purchase. The problem is, the good feeling from buying something is temporary, but the bill is very real. Recognizing your emotional spending triggers is the first step to taming this monster. When you feel the urge to shop, pause and ask yourself, how am I feeling right now? Am I hungry, angry, lonely, or tired? Often, what you really need isn't a new gadget. It's a walk outside, a conversation with a friend, or a good night's sleep. Find healthier, non-spending ways to cope with these emotions. Create a feel-good list of free activities you can turn to when you're feeling down. This changes the habit from I feel bad, so I spend to I feel bad, so I take care of myself. Now that we've identified the main culprits, how do we stop them for good? The answer isn't a strict, miserable budget that cuts out all the fun from your life. That's a recipe for failure. The real solution is mindful spending and creating a simple, flexible plan. This is where the famous 50-30-20 rule can be a game changer. It's simple. 50% of your after-tax income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Needs are the absolute essentials: housing, utilities, groceries, transportation. Wants are everything else that makes life enjoyable: dining out, hobbies, entertainment, shopping. And savings is for your future: retirement, emergency fund, and paying off debt. This framework doesn't tell you what asterisk to spend on. It just gives you clear boundaries. If you want to spend more on dining out, you might need to spend less on shopping. It puts you in the driver's seat and forces you to make conscious trade-offs. To make this work, automation is your best friend. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account on payday. The most important one is to pay yourself first. Before you pay any bills or buy anything, automatically transfer that 20% into a separate savings or investment account. Out of sight, out of mind. This one move ensures you're always making progress on your financial goals, no matter what. You can also automate your bill payments for your needs to avoid late fees. Then, for your wants, you have a clear number to work with. If 30% of your take-home pay is $600, that's your fun money for the month. You can spend it however you like, guilt-free, because you know your needs are covered and your savings are growing. This isn't about restriction. It's about freedom. It's the freedom to enjoy your money without worrying if you're jeopardizing your future. So, where does your money really go? It goes where you direct it. Right now, it might be disappearing into a black hole of phantom subscriptions, convenience fees, and emotional purchases. But it doesn't have to be that way. By becoming a detective of your own finances, you can plug those leaks, understand your habits, and create a plan that aligns your spending with your values and goals. Your challenge for this week is to pick just one area we talked about. Maybe you'll audit your subscriptions, track your daily spending for a few days, or try meal prepping to avoid the convenience trap. Don't try to do everything at once. Small, consistent changes are what lead to massive results over time. Start small, build momentum, and watch as you transform from someone who wonders where their money went to someone who tells their money exactly where to go. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. I hope this has shed some light on your own financial mysteries. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on how to master your money and live a richer life. Let me know in the comments which money mystery you're going to solve first. See you in the next video.